Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a save data, just a general save data uh, thing. So we're gonna make just we're gonna make we're gonna make our game save data, and we're gonna make little save slots. So I guess we can just get right into it. Let's make our GUI. So we're sure to make the screen GUI and a frame. And I'm just gonna put our frame on the left side. Make it about that big, and we're making it a little dark. Let's put a UI corner on it. It's pretty good. We're gonna make a text label. Alright, I'm gonna kind of rush this a bit, and we're gonna make I'm just gonna keep it on the same font. Put the text color to white, and we're gonna go ahead and put the background transparency to 1, and we're gonna put this as save data. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna put save name. Okay, and then we're gonna right click, rename this as save name. Don't misspell it horribly like I did. We're gonna duplicate this, and we're gonna put coins. Alright, so that's gonna be the amount of coins in the safe. And then we're gonna just make rename this coins, and we're gonna put the button, animation button, just regular button, text button, and in this text button we're gonna put just gonna put text color white, and text scaled on, put text scaled as load, all caps. We're gonna make the background color a greenish, not like that. Okay. We're gonna bold this, and we're gonna add a UI corner and a UI stroke. Now it's just not like the best UI, of course, because I'm kind of rushing this, but there it is. There's our thing. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is rename this text button to load safe, and we're gonna duplicate it, and we're gonna make one that is the same thing, but is a little bit. We're just gonna make it the same thing. I'm gonna call it create. Okay, and we're just gonna call this create save. We can keep both of these visible because in the end we're just gonna actually, you know what, we're gonna just make both of these not visible. Okay, and then we're gonna get rid of the save name and the client. Actually, no, we'll keep the save name. Okay, and then we're gonna make our data store. So let's go ahead and do that. So I actually have a script in my models that I made. It's just a data store script. You guys can just copy it down. Service, and you guys can copy this. Actually, no, don't copy it down. I'm just gonna write this out first, and then we can copy it down. So it's just a preset for one of my games simulators that I made that I just use because I don't really feel like writing this all out because it's the same thing each time that I do. So we're gonna go ahead and rename this to save name, and then we're gonna change this to string value, and that save name equals, and we're just gonna put nothing, and then we're gonna have amount coins, and we're gonna put this save name folder in local. Make it a new one. Save data equals instance.new folder, and then we're gonna put the folder in the player. We're gonna do save data dot name equals save data. Actually, no, yeah, save data. Okay, and then we're gonna have the save name, keep that same, and then coins. Use int value in the. Actually, no, we gotta put the save name into the save data folder as well. We put this into the leader stat folder. Okay, and then what we can do is we can put we can actually just put local saved coins equals instance.new, and we can do the same int value, put this in the save data folder, and then saved coins.name equals coins, actually we'll just put saved coins. Alright, so now we finished that, we need to change all this. So first we need to do save data equals data dot save data. We need to copy this and we need to paste it for 1, 2, 3. So we have save data. Actually, no, we don't need save data. We need save name. So we need save name because we need all the stuff that we need to be saving. So we're going to save the name. We're going to do saved coins because we need the coins that we save. And we do need the coins. And we can get rid of this. Okay. And then we need to change the data. So this needs to be a couple of things. We need to change this. So we need to do save name. Actually, you know what? We're going to use this as a role model. Save name dot value. Actually, no, we can just do save name equals player dot, and we need to do the folder. So the save name is in save data. So player dot save. Yeah, it's gotta be save data dot. Dot. Actually, no, we change this to save name dot value. Save name dot name equals save. Okay. Data dot save name dot value. Okay. That's for our name. And then what we need to do is do the same thing. So saved coins dot value equals 0. So that's gonna be your amount of coins. And then we should do saved coins dot name equals saved. Actually, no, we already defined the name. Alright, and then we can do coins dot value equals 0. Okay. Now we got everything. We can go ahead and just do the same thing for everything. Saved coins. Make sure it's the same capitalized. So, yep, it's the same thing. Dot, and then we need the name, just saved coins. And then finally, we need regular coins. So we're going to do coins equals player dot leader stats this time. Dot coins dot value. And there's all of our data. So I'm just gonna hope that it'll save. We're not really gonna test it. Not really gonna test it right now. But you guys can copy this down. I'll scroll nice and slow for you. All right. So there's everything. Let's just go ahead and we will test it out just to make sure it does work. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and in our save data, we're gonna change our save name to hi. And we're gonna hit stop. It should say save data saved. Actually, oh, okay. So attempt to index nil with this function with save name. So let's just figure this out. Always do save name equals player dot save data so the reason is we made it capital. It is actually lowercase. Actually, you know what? Just to prevent confusion, we're just gonna call it that. Alright, that should be fixed now. So let's just try this again. This is our save name. We're gonna check to high. If we hit stop, save thing actually. Okay, hold up. Alright, so I actually just forgot to change it here, so let's fix that. You should change it here and change it. Yeah, like that. I think that should fix it. If not, we gotta change a couple more things. Alright, let's try this again. Hi. Stop. Okay, and send index note, save name. So, you know what? We're just gonna make it the same name as this. So, just prevent any confusion. Okay. So let me just keep everything the same here. Let me change to lowercase. And then we gotta change the save data. So change this. Let's just make sure everything's correct. Save coins, everything's right. And everything's right. Okay, let's see if this works now. Actually, no, we don't need to change it because we're not changing on the server. Okay, so I see there was an error saving our data. I think that happens every time, first time. And actually, the reason why this is happening, there's an error, is because we need to Control S, turn this off, hit save, and then hit close. Go to home, game settings, security, and allow this one. Okay, and now what we also need to do, we'll just go to do actually, no, we can just test it. Alright, and now if we go onto the server, and go to players, and go to our save data, and change the save name to hi, and hit stop. There you go, data saved. And now if we hit play, it will, our save data should be high. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, okay, so our save name didn't save because it says string expected, and it got nil. So string expected got nil. So let's just figure this out. This is a string value. Okay, and we can just get rid of this. All right, let's just try this. Let's just see what we. So we get this error, and it's saying, okay, so it's an issue with the save name, the string value. Save name dot value equals data dot save name. Okay. Alright guys, so it seems that studio just glitched out. So what you want to do is just make the save name dot value equal to just equal to nil. So just do that. And just put nil in a string. And then what you're gonna want to do is change this DS1 to DS2. Copy and paste that, and then paste it there too, and down here. This will reset the data store. And now if we check, your save name is nil, and if we go to the server and change the save name to new game and hit stop, data has saved, and what we get the same thing for some reason, and it's still nil because we are getting nil. So let's fix this out. Alright guys, so a simple fix I did was just to change these down here to the lowercase. So I changed this to the lowercase s. So these down here have to be the same names as this, this, and this. So make sure they're the same names. Here's the entire script. Pause the video. And now, if we hit play, it should save and load our data correctly. So let's go to the server, and we're gonna go ahead and just go to save name and put in new save one. Oops. And hit stop, and it will say data saved. If we play, it now will go and put in that new save name. Okay. Same will work for saved coins. If we put in like 456 for saved coins, and we replay our game, we now will have 456. We're gonna go ahead and change back everything. So this back to 0, and this back to just nil. Let's change it back to nothing. Okay, should save our data. Now that we have our data store set up, we're gonna go ahead and just apply it. So we're gonna go ahead and make a script inside server script service. Oh, oopsies. We're gonna call this script data handler. Actually, we'll just call it save handler. Alright, we're gonna do script.parent. Actually, no. Game.players.player added connect function. Okay, and we're gonna put in the parameter. We're just gonna put player. Okay, and here we're gonna do if player dot leader. If player dot save. We're gonna keep our data store open so we can see the locations. So if player dot save data. If player does actually, you know what? We can just change. Yeah, let's say that name value is not equal to. Actually, you know what we can do here? We can make a new variable and call it save one, and make this a bool value. And make it equal false, and then we can just do save one dot value equals data dot save one, and we're gonna do save one equals player dot save data dot save one dot value. Okay. So we're gonna do if save one. Actually, you know what? We need to make we actually need to make our buttons work first. So actually, no, what we'll do if player dot save data dot dot save one value is equal to true, then we're gonna do we're gonna do I'm gonna make this save name disappear, and we're gonna do create save, and we're gonna bring this create save up. Make it have a greater index. Oh wait, it's not because of that. It's because I gotta make it visible. Hold up. Okay, put this create save up here. Okay, and is equal to true. Then we'll do player dot player GUI dot load. Actually, yeah, dot screen GUI dot frame dot load save dot visible equals true. Player dot player GUI dot screen GUI dot frame dot, we'll do save name dot visible equals true, and we'll do player dot player GUI dot screen GUI dot frame dot coins equals true. Actually, no, dot visible equals true. Okay, we're gonna add an else else statement, and then we're gonna do player.player.GUI.screen.GUI.frame dot create save dot visible equals true. Okay, and now it should go ahead and okay, nice. We're gonna add something. Repeat wait until game colon is loaded. That should be an error. Okay, and it seems that our it's not showing. So let's figure this out. See if create save is visible. No. So create save is not visible. We could have had. Okay. Here's our issue. Our issue is that our wait no. Never mind. That's not an issue. Okay. Let's go see what happened. Let's go back to our save handler. I know what's happening. It's just waiting. So what we can do is actually since we're just gonna do hold up. All right, we're just gonna do repeat wait until player.player.GUI.screen.GUI. So we're just gonna wait until the screen GUI. Oh, not okay. You know what? We're just gonna do repeat wait until player.character. And that should fix the issue. Yeah, it does. Okay, so there's our create button, okay? And it shows, obviously we click it and nothing happens, so what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and make these two change. So we're gonna add a local script here, and we're gonna just do run service dot render step to connect function, and we're gonna do script dot parent dot text equals coins, and we're gonna concatenate game dot players dot actually, you know what, we'll just do this. Player dot leader stats dot actually, you know what, player dot save data dot saved coins dot value. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is script dot parent actually, you know what, that's it, that's all we need to do. Okay, and there's that script. We're gonna control actually, you know what, we're gonna copy the script, put it over here, and paste another script into the same name. Okay, and we're gonna change this to script to parent text equals player dot save data dot save name dot value, and it's already a string, so we don't need to do anything. And now that's done, we can just go back to our save handler, and let's just make the create save do something. So we're gonna go ahead and just make a text box here, and we're gonna move the text box over in the middle, and we're gonna make the placeholder text. Get rid of that. Let's see, okay, placeholder text. Enter save name. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and add a UI corner, and we're gonna go ahead and make the text a little darker. Actually, no, we can keep that, and we can just make the box a little darker. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna call it save name text box. And in here, we're just gonna go ahead and get the button text box. Actually, not, we don't need it in the text box. We're gonna take this button, make it visible, and we're gonna move it over change this text to enter. Okay. And we're just gonna put it inside. So whenever this is visible, the enter will be visible too. You see. Okay. So let's go ahead back to our create save and make a local script. That is a spawn location. We need a local script. Okay. We're gonna do script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function, and then we're gonna do like a local cooldown equals false. If cooldown is equal to false, then cooldown equals true. We're gonna do player. Actually, we need to refer to the player up here. Player dot player GUI dot screen GUI dot frame dot save name text box dot visible equals true. And yeah, there's that. We're just gonna go into this enter. I'm gonna copy this, paste it into the enter. Okay, and then what we're gonna do here is we can get rid of this. We'll just have this thing go down. We're gonna do divisible equals false. And then we need to do actually we need to do player dot okay, we need to do player dot player dot save data dot save name dot value equals text equals script dot parent dot text. Actually, no, we need to script dot parent dot text. Okay. And then what we need to do is we're just gonna do player dot player GUI dot screen GUI dot frame dot redo dot dot load save dot visible equals true, and we're gonna copy all. Actually, you know what? We can just go over here. We'll go over our save handler and copy all this. Paste it in here. Now, let's see if this works now. Okay, so here we are. Create. We're gonna go and name our save cool save 1. Enter. And there's our cool save 1. And yeah, it doesn't show our coins yet, and the create is still there. So let's go ahead and fix that, guys. So let's go ahead and do player dot player GUI dot screen GUI dot frame dot create save dot visible equals false. All right, we're gonna go to our load save now, and all this is gonna do is script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function. We're gonna do. We need to reference the player dot player dot leader stats dot oh my goodness stats dot coins dot value equals player dot save data dot saved coins dot value. Very simple. Okay, and then we hit play. Okay, let's go ahead and see if this works now. So let's go ahead and create our save. Let's put our save name as subscribe to Locus. Okay. And there we go. Load. Didn't make everything invisible. We'll fix it, but there's our coins. You gotta make everything invisible, so hold up. Go to our save handler. Actually, you know what we can do? There we go. And then what we need to do is make it so when we create our save, it will actually do set the value. So when we hit enter, we'll do player dot save data dot save one dot value equals true. Okay, so this will tell us that there is save data and save one. So let's go ahead and create, and let's enter the save name as locus is cool. Smiley face. Enter, and there's locus is cool. And if we hit load, it goes away. Now if we hit stop and we replay the game, it should show up. Okay, no, it doesn't. So let's go ahead and fix it. Let's see if our save one saved. Okay, that's the issue. So player dot save data save one dot value equals true. We're not doing it on the server. So what we need to do here is do remote. So we're gonna do call it create save one. Okay, and then we need to execute this remote. So let me just we do replicated storage dot create save one fire server, and then just fire it with player. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make a new script, start here service, and call it create save replicated storage dot create save one dot on server event connect function player, and then we can just paste this in. Okay, so now if we go ahead and create discord.gg/sulfate. Okay, there we go. Load. Cool. Let's hit stop. Let's go ahead and put our play. Okay, and here we go. So there's our coins, but it seems that our save didn't change. Let's see if our name is there. Okay, so it seems that our name didn't change, which is a little bit absurd. Let's see if there's something that changed the name. Okay, let's see if the enter button did anything, because I might have forgot to skip. Okay. Wait, player dot saving the value equals script dot parent dot parent. Let me just say script dot parent dot text. Okay. 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 So okay, we'll fix that in a second, but we need to make a player removing function. So we need to do game dot players dot player removing next function. What we need to do here is player 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 here player dot save actually player dot leader stats dot coins dot value. You know what, we need player dot save data dot save coins. I think it's saved coins, right? Save coins dot value equals player dot leader stats dot coins dot value. We need to reverse this. I had it right the first time. Alright. Let's go ahead and reset our data here because it seems that our name didn't save. So let's go ahead and figure what's going on over here. Okay. Let's go to our save data and just disable the bool value. And hit play. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and just, oh. Oh, we need to do it on the server. My fault. Okay. So go ahead and create. And let's go ahead and type some. And let's see if the text is in the text box. Okay, that's the issue. Okay, so the issue is that the text box is not, or it might actually be changing it. I just might not be seeing it. What the frick? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stop this. What do I do to my studio? Alright, we fixed it. I'm gonna do some troubleshooting. Alright, so it does work and our value changes, but what I don't think is happening is that the string is not saving. Okay, yeah, so that basically proves my point. The string is not saving. So let's go ahead and figure out. Okay, so the issue is that we're not changing it with the server, kind of like the same thing. I think because if we go to this enter script, yeah, we're not changing with the server. So let's just go duplicate, make another remote, call this one set save one name. We're gonna do the same thing here. Set save name, and we're just gonna go and do duplicate storage dot set save one name and fire server with player. Okay. Set save one dot set one name player save data dot. You know what we're gonna do actually? We can pass through like a local text box equals that, and we can pass through this text box. And then what we can do here is we can do player text. Alright, so we're just gonna do player, and then we need to do the text box. And then what we need to do is save data dot save name dot value equals text box dot text. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and see if this works. I'm gonna assume it's gonna return nil, probably, but we're gonna figure it out. If it returns nil, then we can just do it manually, I suppose. Okay, let's see. Create square.gg/sulfate shameless plug. Okay, yeah, it just returned nil, I assume. Yeah, okay, perfect. It's not what we want, so we're just gonna do this. Instead of passing through this text box, we are going to pass through the player, and we're gonna put it on both sides, and then we're just gonna make it equal. Copy this. Boop, 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 and text. Perfect. Although we do make it locally, but I don't think that's an issue. We'll see. We'll see when we run into it. All right. So now create Discord. Gotta use that sulfate. What? Okay, that's just wonderful. That is not what we want. Okay. So, um, so the issue, I think, okay, you know what? We're just gonna try uh, print, printing this, and let's see what happens. Because I want to troubleshoot with you guys, because I think it's gonna be a little lousy if I just cut. Oh, of course, I gotta do this again. I should probably get the datastore editor plugin. I think it'd be better. Okay, so it just prints nil, like I expected. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what I did. So what I did is I made a text variable after you hit mouse button one click. Let me get rid of this big point. And what the text variable does is it's just text, and I just fire the variable, and then on my client event I have the variable here. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do player dot save data dot save name dot value equals text. Okay, and this should just fix everything. Let's see if it does. We need to go ahead and reset our save, and we're gonna add a reset save button after this. Okay, so let's create a save. Let's put it as discord.gg full fate, enter, and there is our save data. If we go ahead and hit stop, go ahead and play, there is our save data. Okay, so now what we're going to do is hit load, and we're going to go ahead and give ourselves some coins. So we're going to give ourselves about 100 coins, and that is on the client. We need to do that on the server. Oopsies. Alright, give us about 100 coins, and hit stop. Okay, and now what we're going to do is hit play, and it should go ahead and put it as our saved coins. Okay, it did not. Okay, and it actually just set our coins back to 0. So, so our coins are saving, which we actually don't want. So let's go ahead and fix this. Just get rid of this. And let's get rid of this. And let's make sure that our player removing is here. Equals, oh, I think I did the wrong way again. Yeah, I did it, dude, the wrong way. Okay, this should actually save it. And it shouldn't save our coins. It should have our saved coins. So let's go ahead and put in our coins on our leader stats. 100 coins. Let's hit stop. Should save our data. Don't worry about this. This is just a plugin. Also, okay, we're gonna hit play, and we still have 0 coins. That is nice. Let's see if we even have our saved coins. No. Okay. Let's go ahead and fix this. Okay, so player save coins dot value equals player dot leader stats dot coins dot value. Should work. I think it's because it's saving 0 before it sets the value. So we can actually just take this, save it, and then put this player moving. There we go. Hopefully this should fix it. I think I didn't do all didn't fix it. I don't even know if I did that on the server. I'm gonna assume I did do that on the server. So okay, I think we're just gonna result to this thing. And what we're gonna do is just do uh coins equal player dot save. We'll just change this to data dot coins. And we can just do save coins equals player dot leader stats dot coins dot value. That should actually hopefully work. Let's see if it does or not. I'm hoping for a P call if it doesn't work. Let's see. Or it just works. Okay, so there we go. Now we have our coins 100, and you'll see our coins are defaulted back to 0 because we made them not save. If we load, there we go. Our coins are back to 100. Now we should actually have it in our actual coins. Yep, and our saved coins should still be at 100 because that's our saved data. And yeah, you can basically auto saving now, but it's saved data, and you can make multiple saved data now. So let's go ahead and make a reset save button. So we're just gonna make this button. Get this from the create save, make it visible, and then put it down here. We're gonna make it a little bit. We're gonna make it red, and we're gonna call it reset. We're gonna call it reset save. And what we need to do now is make it so it actually appears. And we need to put this in the remote. Okay, I think we're fine actually. Let's go ahead and make the reset save do it correctly. So we're gonna do make a new remote, reset save, and we're gonna make a new script, call it reset save. And what we need to do is reference replicated storage, and then we need to do replicated storage dot reset save and fire that on the server. And whenever you're firing something on the server, I always pass through player. If not, it's automatically passed through. If you want to pass through any other variables, but yeah. Okay, and then what we need to do is dot reset save on server event. We need to do player dot save data dot save one save one dot value equals false. Okay, and what we also need to do is go to where we create the save right over here. And I guess this create save button, all this does is it sets this text box as true. And when we hit enter, ooh, wait, we need to make it so. And we also need to go to the create save, and we need to set this to true. And what we also need to do is set dot saved coins dot value equals 0, and we do player dot save data. I think that's all we need to do. We need to reset our coins when you create a save, so they're not saved. All right. So there's our load, and there's our reset button. Let's go ahead and add our coins. 100 coins. Let's see if they change, because if our coins change back to 0, then that's how you know there's something wrong with our code. Okay, and our coins did not change back to 0, so we can load. And there's our coins. Let's go ahead and stop here and hit play. And let's go ahead and try and oh, okay. That's an issue. So we hit. Okay. So it loaded our coins. And let's just make sure that when we hit, let's see what happens when we hit load. Okay, because that is our main issue here. Okay. Player at least has. Wait, what? Okay. We're doing this locally. That's the issue. So we need to just execute the. I think it's the. Great. No, we're just gonna make a whole another thing and call it set save coins. Get this and call it save coins, and we're just gonna change this to set save coins. Player dot save data dot saved coins dot value equals player dot player stats dot coins dot value, and we need to flip flop these. Oopsies. Okay, now we can go back to our local script, which is one of these. Yep, and just fire just remote instead of doing this. And make sure we're passing through player. I think we already are passing through player. Let's see, save coins. Oh, we're passing through text, which we do not pass through. Okay, here we go. Replicate storage dot set save coins, and fire that. Okay, this should go ahead and now be fixed totally. So let's go ahead and just load. And we're gonna go to our players, and we're gonna go to our saved coins. And actually, no, that's not the right thing. Coins. We're set it to 100. Stop. And let's go ahead and hit play. There are coins. If we load them and hit stop, we should now have our data saved. Okay, so it just completely wiped our data. That is just wonderful. I don't know why it wiped our data. I don't think I clicked reset. Okay, wait. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna try this again. If we reset our data again, then we'll troubleshoot. Okay, our data's back. What? But our coins are gone. Okay. Let's go ahead and hit load here. We're gonna go ahead and set our coins to 100. Go ahead and hit stop here. It should save this 100 now. And we should now have 100 in our saved coins, like we do. If we hit load, it will load it to our actual coins and keep our saved coins because they're the same thing. And if we hit play again, yes, okay. So it works. It's just I accidentally hit reset, I guess. So now if we go and we see our coins 0 and our saved coins are still at 100, and we can continue to load them and as many times as we want. So there's your saved data. So let's go ahead and reset and see what happens. Okay, so we hit reset, and I'm assuming it did reset everything, but we have to actually reload. Okay, yeah, it did reset everything, and we can go and enter our new save name, which is going to be called Boop. Enter, and then our new save name, Boop, with our 0 coins. And if we go ahead and see save coins, everything is reset. So the only issue we have here is that we need to make it so whenever you reset your data, everything resets. so so this reset data just executes this remote called reset save, which just sets that to false. So now what we need to do is go to our script where we check that. So and we just need to grab everything here. And set it to false. And then we need to grab this and set it to true, and also need to set. Actually, no, we already have reset save. Okay, that is nice. And we need to set reset to. Oh, it's already on false. Okay, perfect. So now if we hit reset, okay, let's just create a save. Boop. Enter. Alright, there's our coins. Load save. Bada 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 bam. Let's go ahead and add a random amount of coins. Okay, hit stop. And now if we hit play, there's our save. Load. Let's just go ahead and reset it. And there's this reset. We can go ahead and remake our save. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Sorry it's a bit long, but there's how you make your save data. A lot of it can be optimized. Like you can run a for loop for instead of just setting everything manually to true, you can just run a for loop and then just like make a table of the things that you want to be true. That could be more optimized. But yeah, this is just a basic save system. If you want to add more save slots, you can literally just add more stuff to the data store. Like all you'd have to do is add, where is it? Like save 2 and save 3, and then you just have to add save coins 1, save coins 2, save coins 3. And then you just have to make all these work with each individual, which shouldn't be difficult because if you just duplicate the buttons, it will have the same effect. But you just have to change the stuff and make detection. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.